Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the class 3. Today we are going to start the chapter number 3, maps. Okay, look at here the picture map of the world, and world map look like this. Okay, and what is map? Map is a way to show a part of the earth's surface on a flat piece of a paper. Okay, a map is a drawing of all our part of earth's surface such as country, city, rivers and lake, forest, buildings and roads on a flat surface like a sheet of paper. ठीक है, हमारा मैप जो है वो एक पेपर पे ड्रॉ होता है. ठीक है, और ये सारी चीज़ें उसके अंदर इंक्लूडेड होती हैं और ये एक पेपर पे हम इसको ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. राइट. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज़ cartographer. And student, do you know what is cartographer and who is cartographer? Is a person which design the map. Okay, is a person which design the map. The person who design is known as a cartographer. Right, look at the picture. This is a cartographer. This man is a cartographer. Right. Okay, now next is cardinal direction. Okay, look at the picture and do you know what is cardinal direction? There are 4 cardinal direction. Right, we have 4 cardinal direction. Number 1 is north. ठीक है. Number 2 south. Number 3 east and number 4 west. Okay, we have 4 cardinal direction, 4 main direction. ठीक है, ये main direction होती हैं 4. And next we have intermediate direction. ठीक है, intermediate direction. Look at the picture and the point is between में जो point है. ठीक है, the points in between the cardinal direction are called intermediate direction. Okay, this point are called intermediate direction. Right, and these include northwest, right, northeast, southeast and southwest. Right. So cardinal direction and intermediate direction. And tell me how many cardinal direction we have? 4 cardinal direction. Which one? North, south, east and west. Right. And tell me what is intermediate direction? The points in the between the cardinal direction are called intermediate direction. Okay, so these include northwest, northeast, southwest and southeast. Okay student, is it clear now? And now next is compass. Look at the picture. This is the compass. A map includes a compass that show direction. ठीक है, कंपास क्या होता है? जो हमें डायरेक्शन शो करता है. एंड कार्डिनल डायरेक्शन आर द 4 बेस पार्ट ऑन अ कंपास एंड द टॉप पॉइंट is called north. Okay, that is a top point, so this is called north. Right, and the point at the bottom, this one, is called south, and the side point are called east and west. Right, side 2 points are called east and west. So the map are drawn according to some scale showing the direction. The map are smaller than the objects of the area which they represent. ठीक है, हमारा जो मैप होता है, हमारा एरिया तो बहुत बड़ा है. ठीक है, लेकिन मैप तो एक छोटे से एरिया पे ड्रॉ करते हैं हम. ठीक है, एंड मैप आर ड्रॉन यूजिंग मैनी कलर्स. हम जो है मैप में मैनी कलर्स को यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बहुत सारे कलर्स को यूज़ कर सकते हैं. जनरली द लैंड हैज़ येलो कलर, The hills are in brown color and the ocean are colored blue, right? And a key to these and other symbols is given in a map, which makes it easy for us to locate which is where on a map, and also to know how far is one place from the another place, right? On a map everything cannot be shown as it is, so symbol are used to show them, राइट क्योंकि मैप में जो है हर चीज़ शो नहीं हो सकती, एक छोटी सी छोटा एरिया जो है वो मैप के अंदर आपको शो नहीं हो सकता, इसलिए कुछ सिंबल्स होंगे जो कि सिंबल्स के थ्रू चीज़ों को शो करेंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल फॉरेस्ट इज़ शोन बाय ड्राइंग सम कलर्स शेप एज ट्रीज़. ठीक है, यानी अगर हम किसी मैप में एक फॉरेस्ट को हम ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं तो हम उसको कुछ सिंबल्स के थ्रू उसको हाईलाइट करेंगे, लाइक ट्रीज़ हो गए, ठीक है, कुछ शेप्स हो गई, ट्रीज़ की शेप बना दें जिससे जो है वो एक फॉरेस्ट को हम शो कर सकते हैं मैप के अंदर, राइट. तो इन सारी कीज़ को क्या कहते हैं? द की इज़ अ लिस्ट ऑफ सिंबल. ये सिंबल्स होते हैं, सिंबल्स के थ्रू जो है वो हम चीज़ों को शो करते हैं, राइट. एंड अ बुक ऑफ मैप इज़ कॉल्ड एटलस. ठीक है, एक ऐसी बुक जिसके अंदर सिर्फ मैप्स ड्रॉ होते हैं, बहुत सारे मैप्स की ड्राइंग होती हैं, उसको एटलस कहते हैं. लुक एट द पिक्चर, द बुक ऑफ एटलस, ओके, वर्ल्ड एटलस. जब हम इस बुक को ओपन करेंगे तो इसके अंदर मैप्स ड्रॉ होंगे, राइट. एटलस ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, ओके, डिफरेंट बुक्स ऑफ एटलस. Look at the picture, okay. And now next, look at the picture and tell me the answers. Question number 1, in what direction must you walk to get to the zoo? Look at the picture and where is zoo? This one. In which direction to go to the zoo? So this direction are called northwest, right? Northwest. And question number 2, which direction is your home? Which direction is your home? So this is west, right? This direction is called west. This is a main direction. And question number 3, in which direction should you walk to school? So this is main direction, south, okay. And question number 4, where is the library? In which direction you go to library? So this is also main direction. This is called north. And question number 5, where is the mosque from where you are standing? Where is mosque? In which direction? This is called southeast, right? And number 6, how should you walk to get to the hospital? Where is the hospital? In which direction to go to the hospital? Northeast, right? And number 7, which way you should walk to get to the park? And where is the park? In which direction you go to the park? South, west. And last one is, where is the office? This is a main direction, you know, east. Okay, right, beta? Now this is today's chapter. I think आपको ये समझ में आ गया होगा, right? So inshallah we will continue in the next class, next chapter, right? Okay class, Allah Hafiz, Jazakallah, Assalamu alaikum.